I was born and raised in Bucharest, Romania. During the communist era, Pegasus was the only type of bike in stores. Every child in Romania had a Pegasus, or wanted one. I moved to Chicago in 1994 and started studying photography, my father's passion, at Columbia College, Chicago. I met Andre 2 years ago during a vacation in Romania. He bought the Pegasus brand in 2012 and started producing bicycles in Bucharest. I told him I had an idea about a bionic e-bike, some kind of science fiction machine that can read your mind. We decided to embark on this bionic e-bike project, and we called it Xmera. After months of hard work, the Xmera bike prototype was finally ready. Just in time for the 2019 Consumer Electronics Show. Bicycling is a big part of the future. It has to be. There's something wrong with a society that drives a car to work out in a gym. And since we all spend a lot of time in traffic, we thought we should try to make the most of this time by improving our body health and physical condition. Electric bikes are an easy way to get around, and you can choose between the power unit, a battery-powered electric motor, or pedaling when you wish. Xmera is equipped with a GPS tracker, so you will always know where your bike is. Your hand is the best interface ever invented. The Xmera BPM bracelet transmits your heart rate to the bike's controller, which instructs the electric motor to assist the pedals according to your body's needs, monitoring your heart rate and other indicators, and further adjusting the level of assistance the motor provides, gives you a perfect cardio workout. This is a serious attempt to add a new form of transportation. Think of it as a hybrid between a motorcycle and a bicycle without the need for a license that many people would find both useful and economically worthwhile. We intend to develop the Xmera to the point where it can become a commercially available means of transportation